Lauren with AdvantageLumber.com, and these are black DeckWise Colormatch Screws. DeckWise Colormatch Screws feature an auger tip that cuts through the toughest hardwoods. And because they are made of high-quality stainless steel, these screws offer long-term performance and reliability. Available in 4 different sizes: number 8 by 1.5 inch, number 8 by 2 inch, number 8 by 2.5 inch, number 8 by 3 1/8 inch. With these color match screws, you'll have what you need to complete your decking project. The black color match screw fits perfectly with Ipe, Tigerwood, or Master and Duba for a truly seamless look. To make it easier for you, AdvantageLumber.com offers worldwide shipping to your home or job site. Call or visit AdvantageLumber.com today to order your black DeckWise Color Match Screws.